29 September 2016. I guess we all remembered the date for some reasons, because on that day every Indian news channel had only one news, and that was about the surgical strike conducted by the Indian Army. We have seen films like Uri where the central subject of the film was the surgical strike. And now I'm going to share with you guys some of my point of view regarding Raj Acharya's web series Avrod The Siege Within, which is available on Sony Live. So hi guys, I'm Rajrupa Datta. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Vitar. Basically, this series is based upon one of the chapters of a book called India's Most Fearless, written by Shiv Arur and Rahul Singh. And the chapter from which all the incidents and details have been taken is called We Really Don't Know Fear. तो कहानी तो हम सबको पता है क्योंकि हमने न्यूज़ पढ़ा था, हमने उरी देखी है which was released last year. So the story is basically the same, but the most important and positive point about this series is the detailed research work. From the very beginning to the end, you will see a series of incidents which are interconnected, and all of them ultimately resulted in the surgical strike. Though the story is the same and it is presented in a different way, it really gets interesting, and that is what happened in case of Avrod. And secondly, the cinematography of this series. All the action sequences were so perfect and so engaging that this series was literally unputdownable. Sometimes in the narrow lanes of Kashmir, sometimes in the mountains, all of the shots were shown without any jerk. And again, the close shots of the characters which add more layers and more weightage to their personality, these were all so good. And thirdly, any particular character was not highlighted in this series. Because in my personal opinion, in case of Uri, the character of Vicky Kaushal was much more highlighted, and it was much about his participation and his contribution. But in case of this series, each and every sector and each and every character were given equal importance and equal highlight. From the Indian Army to the Defence Ministry to the political parties to the media, all of them were shown with their own participation in this great decision with equal importance and equal details. Now let's come to the casting part. जब हम real life की कोई incidents movies में या series में देखते हैं तो casting becomes very important. और आप चाहो या ना चाहो, उरी के साथ इस series का एक comparison हो ही जाता है कि उसमें क्या क्या अच्छा था, इसमें क्या अच्छा है. And in the casting part, Darshan Kumar, Amit Shad, Anil George did a great job. Darshan Kumar, who played the character of Major Ronak Gautam, he was really good. Amit Shad came into the series much later, like he was introduced in episode 5. He played the character of Major Videep Singh, and after he enters the scene, the whole series was full of enthusiasm and new energy. And also Anil George played the character of Abu Hafiz. He was really good. जब किसी नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर को आप फिल्म्स में या सीरीज में देखते हो और उसे देखने के बाद आपको बहुत सारा गुस्सा आता है, तो उसका मतलब ये है कि उसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. And Anil George's Abu Hafiz was really good. But there are some negative points in the casting. First of all, Neeraj Kavi, who played the character of Ajit Doval, his acting was not so promising and he was not up to the mark. Secondly, Namrata Joshi, the journalist played by Madhurima Tuli, she was very loud and sometimes she just doesn't fit in. And also Vikram Gokhale, who played the character of India's Prime Minister. His acting was good, he did his part well, but neither did he look like the Prime Minister nor did he sound like him. So that was the minus point. All the incidents in the series are presented before us in a much simpler and less dramatic way. The things I said about Omerta, I will say those exact words about this series too, because here also we see a documentary style narrative. All the incidents and all the truths are presented before us with their dates and great details. Now you can think about this as a negative point because the typical Bollywood drama is not presented in the series, but I personally don't think it as a negative point, because in the last scene when the men of the forces coming back to their own ground after their successful mission, and then we see the national flag, it was more than enough to rouse our emotion and our patriotic feeling. So I don't think you will feel detached or lack that emotion while watching the series. And also we all know the story and we all know the ending, but you will surely feel that same fear and tension in the last few episodes. It is very easy to say something, but it is very difficult to execute them with a foolproof plan, and that is what we see in this series, because from the very beginning to the end we watch a series of incidents with great details. How they execute the whole plan, it was really good. So I think you must watch the series, and I think you will enjoy it just as I did. And also you can watch the series on Sony Live. So yeah, that's it pretty much for this video. I'm gonna go now. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends. If you have any kind of feedbacks, you can let me know in the comment section below, or you can follow me on my Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. See you guys on my next video. Till then.